Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. In this video, I will explain how to write a number in standard form. These two numbers are written, or they are in the shape they have is the shape of an ordinary number. Yes, an ordinary number. So the instruction is write these numbers in standard form. So what I'm going to do is this. Remember, a number in standard form is written like a decimal, yes? Let's say 2.5. This is something different from the exercise. Times 10, and the 10 has a power. This exponent could be positive or negative, right? The thing is, this decimal has to be a decimal less than 10, but more than 1. So we can have here 3 point something times 10 to the power of 3. This is a number written in standard form, but we cannot have this like 25.6 times 10 to the power of, let's say, I don't know, 9. Why? This is not a standard notation, because the 25 is a number bigger than 10. So to be written in the standard form, the number must be like a number less than 10. So it means but more than 1 point something, let's say 1.2, but it has to be less than 10. So until 9.9 is available. All these numbers are written in standard form, but this number is written in standard form, this one also, but this one no. Yes, that's the problem. This number is not written in standard form. This number can be written in the standard form, and also this one, right? So we need to consider that to write all the numbers in standard form, okay? We need to consider that. So if you notice, this point must be between the 4 and the 7, because of, remember, that the first decimal must be a decimal bigger than 1 but less than 10. So this decimal must be between the 4 and the 7. So what we have to do, guys, is to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's something that you must have clear. So the decimal is 4.7. 4.7 times 10 raised to the power of something. Well, what happened with the exponent of the 10? The exponent of the 10 is the number of places that we had to move the decimal point to it becomes a decimal with the conditions of the standard form. So how many decimal places did I have to move that point to it? It becomes 4.7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the exponent is 5. Now we need to determine if the exponent is positive or negative. So imagine this is the situation and this is the number you have, 4.7. If you move, what did you have to do to put this decimal point there? You have to move it to the left, right? If this is the exercise and you have to move this to the left side, so moving to the left side, it shows me that the exponent is negative. Yes, imagine you have this number and this is the result. Yes, this is the number written in the standard form and that is the result. If you move the decimal point to the left, so the exponent is negative. Let's try to do this one. This number has an invisible decimal point. Remember, when a number doesn't have a decimal point, it goes at the end. Yes, like here, it goes at the end. So this decimal point should be between the 1 and the 2 due to the notation of a number written in the standard form. So this decimal point should be between the 1 and the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, remember, we had to move 6 places. So the number written in the standard form is 1.2347001. Yes, times 10 to the power of 6. Then we need to determine if the exponent is positive or negative. How do we know that? Imagine this is the exercise. if this is the exercise and the exponent is positive, we move the decimal point to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that, in that case, we have this like answer. Yes? Remember, I want you to consider that in all the exercises. If you move the decimal point to the left, the exponent is negative. If you move the decimal point to the right, the exponent is positive. Thanks. I think I will call this video the example number 2. Yes, in the first example, I will teach you how to pass a number written in a scientific notation or standard form into an ordinary number. Again, thanks for watching Simple Math and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.